Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To make a refund in PayPal, we go to paypal.com. Then click on Login. Let's open our account. In this option you can click on Proceed to Account Overview. Here, we can see our recent activity. If the payment we want to refund is not here, we click on Recent Activity. Then we look for the payment we want to refund. When we have found it, we click on it and a button will appear here that says Refund Payment. Click there. We only have up to 180 days to make a refund, either complete or partial. After 180 days it is no longer possible. In total refund amount we write how much we will refund. PayPal will automatically calculate the commission. If I write 15, the person will only receive 14.19. If you have an invoice name, you can write it, but it is optional. We can write a note to the buyer, it is also optional. It is not mandatory. To finish we click on Issue Refund. The refund will be done instantly. That's it. From the cell phone, we'll follow the same process. We enter our browser. Now type in paypal.com. Then we enter our account. Here we can see all our transactions. I'm going to click on this payment I received. Then at the bottom we click on Refund this payment. In the same way, PayPal informs us that we have up to 180 days to make a full or partial refund. We follow the same process. We write down the amount we will refund. PayPal automatically tells us the commission that will be deducted and how much money will arrive to the person we are refunding. We can write the invoice number or a note, but it is optional, not mandatory. To finish, we click on Issue Refund. That's it. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.